Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Himal Ranger. So finally I'm going to Sandakpur. So excited for it. So actually today it's around it's around 4 o'clock and we are going to Mirik, and we are staying at Mirik at one of my Mamaji's friend's place, and then he will also join us. So tomorrow morning we're gonna head for Sandakpur, but right now we're going to Mirik and we're gonna stay over there. So I just wanted to give you an introduction video. I won't record everything from here till Mirik because I already have a video. And to remind you, there are two ways to go to Sandakpur. You have Manibhanjan is the the gateway to Sandakpur, and there are two ways to reach Manibhanjan. One is through Gum, and the other is through Mirik, Pasupati Nagar, and all. And for Gum, from Gum, if you come from Gum, you have to take you to reach Sukhia Pokri and go. But from the Mirik side, you have to go through Pasupati Nagar and Simana, and then you can go to Manibhanjan. So चलो चलते हैं, and we'll meet you before I reach Mirik. So यहाँको जुन फेमस छ, यहाँ पर घुस्नुपर्छ, यहाँ त म चाहिँ फोटोहरू खिच्दा हुन्छ यसो भर्खर. यही मिरिक लेक, यो बोटिङ पनि हुन्थ्यो एक टाइममा, अहिले त बोटिङ छ कि छैन थाहा छैन. Finally we have reached Mirik now, and then we are heading towards our Mamaji friend's place. Okay guys, then see you tomorrow early morning when we go to Sandakpur. Good morning guys. So right now we are leaving Mirik, and from there we'll head towards Manibhanjan. Okay, so now we are about to reach Pasupati Nagar. So right now we have stopped at Simana viewpoint. Last time when I came with my friends, there was no such beauty out here. You can see a crystal clear Mount Kanchenjunga. Wow, what a view. So now we're gonna so from Mirik we come to Pasupati Nagar, and from Pasupati Nagar we're right now at Simana, and from here there's a shortcut that goes to Manibhanjan. I don't know how's the road. If the road is good, we're gonna take that, or we're gonna reach Sukhia Pokri and goes down, and we'll descend towards Manibhanjan. Okay, sure. So we took a shortcut from Simana to Manibhanjan. The road is pretty bad and the steep is quite high. Tires were slipping, and the other bike has to be hand pulled. Okay. Okay, so we have finally booked our four-wheelers for Sandakpur. The charges is 5,500 rupees for to and fro with one night hold. So if you want to hold further, you have to pay 1,500 extra. But for one night hold, for one today, we're gonna hold it today, so it is 5,500. But if you wanna hold it further, then the 1,500 will keep on adding. Zoom. Okay, so if you remember this point when I said bike will not be allowed, so I'm back again. But yeah, I'm taking this. This is the one in which we are going, my mama and my mama friend, and we have parked our bike right here. So in case if you have come in your bike, you can park it here, and it's 200 rupees per night for the parking, and there will be a guard who will guard the bikes. That's the information we have received. And right now, once we pay the 5,500 rupees there at the syndicate, we have to do some kind of registration over here to get the pass. Then after that is done, then we are off to Sandakpur. Quite excited. So बने रहिए हमारे साथ, हम जा रहे हैं Sandakpur. And if you remember, this road, it goes to Dothre, Rimbik, And if you want to see how this road goes, you see in the link. You get the link in the description or in the I button. Video ma ke भन्नु चाहनुहुन्छ YouTube को लागि?
We are very excited today. It's a long cherished dream of one of my friends, his bosom friend Jivan Rai. And in the meantime, we also joined here yesterday, and we had a very big plan.
पुरा गएको छ यो
ठुलो हेभी लोड त अलिकति आउँछ तलबाट उठाएर ल्याउनु पर्छ कर मार्च गर्दाखेरि एक दिन चाहिँ लाग्दो रहेछ हौ यो के
माने भन्छन् कि सन्दकपू पुग्नु है
एक दिन लाग्छ त्यो अहिले उकालोमा
अनि गाइड लियो भने चाहिँ 700 रुपैयाँ रहेछ एक दिनको
छैन मैले गाइड लियो भने एक दिन चाहिँ लाग्छ म हिँडेको छु कि यस्तो ठाउँ
ए हेजलनट है
ठाउँ
यसको कफी कस्तो मिठो हुन्छ नि हेजलनट
कफी होइन नि
अनि यसको कफीमा हाल्नु मिठो हुन्छ यसको टेस्ट हेजलनट कफी भनेर पाउँछ स्टारबक्सतिर गए पनि कति महँगो हुन्छ एक्स्ट्रा फ्लेभर हालेको
खिरतिर हाल्छ हौ नेसनल पार्कको एरिया पस्यो भाइ हजुर पानी
सो हामी पुग्यौँ भाइ कालीपोखरी Sandakpur, finally. Yeah.
तपाईहरु के बस्नुहुन्छ प्राइभेटमा बस्नुहुन्छ कि गभर्नमेन्ट लजतिरै बस्नुहुन्छ
Okay, so we are at Sandakpur and we have checked out the government lodge, which is quite cheap, but the condition is not so good. So we have come to the Nepal side, and there is one lodge, Sherpa Lodge, and this is Sunrise Lodge. Checking out everything, the price and all, and I'll let you know. Okay, so this is it, but hard luck so far, no view at all because of the fog, but we are staying till tomorrow, and I hope this will clear out. Okay, Sandakpur, this is Sandakpur.
I just
कालु सानोको चाहिँ नाम के हो
Pengo.
प्याङ्गोङ प्याङ्गोङ
As
नाम कालु
टोक्छ तँलाई
India, Nepal, and we're staying at Nepal Lodge, Sherpa Chalet Lodge. There is one more private lodge, Sunrise Lodge. There are around 2 private lodges around here, and then 6-7 government lodge. India side government lodge, GTA. Nepal side private lodge. And we decided to stay at the Sherpa Lodge. The price per night is 2,500 rupees. There are 2 beds, one queen size beds and one single person bed. But we got it at 1,000 rupees for 1 day or 1 night. Maybe generally it's 12 hours. And for the government one, it's 660 rupees. The condition was not so good, so we decided to stay here. एट्याच बाथरुम पनि रहेछ नि
खुसी लाग्छ मेरो चाहिँ अगाडिबाट फोटो खिचाएको छु फेरि चिनेर के भन्छ त्यति नै हो पाली त मजाले गएको छ
Trekking in and around Sandakphu.
यस
के भन्नुहुन्छ क्यामेरामा हाम्रो के गर्छ
के भन्नु we are a bit unlucky today. The weather is very cloudy, so the view of the Kanchenjunga and other के भन्छ त्यो पहाडीहरू हेर्ने हामीहरूले मौका पाएको छैनौँ.
कस्तो लाग्दैछ अहिले यहाँ
स्वर्ग जस्तो नै लाग्दैछ. आज हामी धेरै नै लक्की भयौँ. हिजोको सिचुएसन, हिजोको जुन बादल थियो, डर लाग्दै थियो. आज यतिको उज्यालो र यतिको हामीहरूले यो कञ्चनजङ्घा माउन्ट एभरेस्ट यसरी देख्न पाउँछौँ भन्ने अझै पनि भ्यू घाम झुल्किसकेको छैन. घाम झुल्क्यो भने त अझै रमाइलो हुन्छ होला, अझै राम्रो हुन्छ होला. हामीहरू यहाँ सबै बसेर घाम झुल्किनेको इन्तजार गर्दैछौँ. अझै राम्रो हुन्छ होला.
हजुर तिमीमा के भन्छ
एकदम रमाइलो लाग्यो हो. अब टप अफ द वर्ल्ड जस्तै लाग्दो रहेछ यहाँबाट. अब दार्जिलिङ तल देखिन्छ हो. अब यहाँ हामीहरूभन्दा अलिक उचाइमा भएको चाहिँ माउन्ट कञ्चनजङ्घा र माउन्ट एभरेस्ट मात्रै जस्तो लागिन्छ है.
घाम झुल्के जस्तो चाहिँ त्यो माथि
हल्का हल्का पुगेछ
झुल्क्यो झुल्क्यो भेटायो त्यो पोइन्टमा.
तिरुतिरको यो हेर्नु लागि जुत्ता चाहिँ राम्रो लगाइछु है।
अब हुन्छ किन हुँदैन यस हाम्रो भान्जा उत्रिसक्यो बेस्ट भ्यू लिएर माथिबाट एकदम दामी छ हेर यो वाउ ल ल आज हाम्रो जुन सन्दकपूको ट्रिप छ धेरै नै रमाइलो भयो यो आज फर्स्ट मर्निङमा यति क्लियर माउन्ट यता एभरेस्ट यतापट्टि कञ्चनजङ्घा जुन आँखाले हामीहरूले हेर्न पायौँ सायद यो क्यामेरामा कतिचोटि हामीहरूले मोर देन 100 टाइम्स क्याप्चर गर्ने कोसिस गऱ्यौँ तर यो आँखाले देखेको जस्तो त्यो क्याप्चर गर्न सकिँदैन रहेछ। अनि यहाँनिर दुईवटा भ्यू पोइन्ट छ भ्युअर्सहरूको लागि एउटा यतापट्टि नेपालमा दुईवटा सानो टापु छ भ्यू पोइन्ट छ अनि यो अहिले जुन जग्गामा म उभिएको छु यो जग्गा चाहिँ इन्डियाको भ्यू पोइन्ट हो। यहाँबाट यसलाई के अरे स्लिपिङ बुद्ध हुन्छ यो स्लिपिङ बुद्ध पनि मजाले देखिन्छ हेर्न पाइन्छ सायद क्यामेरामा त्यति राम्ररी नआउला आँखाले क्या मजाले देखिन्छ पुरा स्वर्गमा आए जत्तिकै भएको छ। ल धेरै नै मजा आयो इट्स वर्थ भिजिटिङ प्लेस
Okay, thank you guys. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Himal Ranger.